Hi, today I'm part of me Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to activate AoD option on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the Muviz Edge app. So now just tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and near Muviz Edge, tap on the swatcher, go back to the application, switch Edge lights to AoD and select one from the available options. Just tap to apply, and now let's just lock the device. So we could see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.